Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, this officially website, so you can download the driver. Then after that you click on this search button. Then enter the model number of your motherboard B550M space AORUS Pro AX and then hit enter. Then click on the product. After that you can see this is your motherboard operating, both motherboards same. You can see this is R1 and R0, 1.1 and 1.0. So no worry, this is different generations, so driver same. Okay, select the any, then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. So guys, first I show you how to download and after that I show you how to install. So first, for the download audio driver, this is icons to download. If you click download, it will start downloading. And then chipset, AMD chipset driver, you can see this one, and download. After that you can see this is download icon, and always try to latest one. Then LAN driver, internet driver, ethernet driver, you can see this is all in one. LAN driver and click to download. Then Bluetooth driver and Wi-Fi driver, so you click to download, and Wi-Fi both one by one download. It will start downloading. You just click on this icon. After that you see it is start downloading. Okay, so it is completed. Then show you how to install. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract the all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed, then this LAN driver, then LAN driver, open one by one, download, and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then okay, and then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed, and then okay. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.